Why acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, is a game changer.
Let's talk about therapy.
No, not the Freudian kind that involves lounging on a couch while someone nods sympathetically and jots down notes. We're diving into acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, a groundbreaking approach that's like a breath of fresh air in the world of mental health. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on an enlightening journey through the land of ACT. Imagine being stuck in a never-ending cycle of negative self-talk, anxiety, and self-doubt. It's like being trapped in a bad relationship with your own mind. But fear not, because acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, is here to set you free. Developed in the 1980s by Stephen Hayes, ACT is a type of psychotherapy that's been gaining popularity worldwide, and for good reason. This powerful approach has been shown to be effective in treating a wide range of mental health conditions, from anxiety and depression to post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, to substance use disorders. So what makes ACT so special? Let's dive in and explore the benefits of this liberating therapy. ACT. What's the big deal? First things first, let's break down what ACT is all about. ACT is like that wise friend who gently nudges you to embrace life's messiness rather than fight against it. ACT is a form of psychotherapy that encourages clients to accept their thoughts and feelings, commit to actions that align with their values, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling life. Sounds pretty good, right? But why is ACT beneficial to clients, you ask? Well, let's unravel the magic behind this therapeutic approach. The 6 core principles of ACT.
So how does ACT work its magic?
It all comes down to 6 core principles. Acceptance. It's all about acceptance is all about acknowledging your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Cognitive diffusion. This principle involves learning to separate yourself from your thoughts. It's like recognizing that your thoughts are just thoughts. They don't define you. Being present. ACT encourages clients to focus on the present moment, rather than getting caught up in worries about the past or future. Self as context. This principle involves developing a sense of self that's separate from your thoughts and emotions. It's like recognizing that you're more than just your thoughts and feelings. Values. ACT helps clients clarify their core values and use them as a guide for making decisions and taking action. Committed action. This principle involves taking action towards your values-based goals, even when it's hard or uncomfortable. Psychological flexibility. The mental gymnastics we all need. Imagine your mind as an Olympic gymnast, skillfully flipping and twisting through the chaos of life. Psychological flexibility is the cornerstone of ACT and refers to the ability to be open to whatever thoughts and feelings come your way, without getting stuck or overwhelmed by them. It's like being a mental ninja, deftly dodging the hurdles life throws at you. This flexibility allows clients to adapt to various situations, making them more resilient and better equipped to handle stress, anxiety, and other emotional challenges. Think of it as a superpower that helps you navigate the tumultuous waters of life with grace and ease. Values. The compass to your North Star. One of the standout features of ACT is its focus on values. No, we're not talking about the kind of values you scribble on a New Year's resolution list only to forget by the beginning of February. We're talking about your core values, the things that truly matter to you, the principles that guide your life decisions. ACT helps clients identify these values and use them as a compass to steer their actions. By aligning their behavior with their values, clients can lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. It's like having a personal GPS that guides you toward your true north, ensuring you stay on the right path even when the road gets bumpy. Emotional acceptance. Making peace with your difficult emotion.
Picture this. You're at a party, and there's that one person who insists on discussing their obscure stamp collection.
Instead of bolting for the door, ACT teaches you to graciously accept their presence and even find some charm in their eccentricity. This is the essence of emotional acceptance. Rather than battling against negative emotions or trying to suppress them, ACT encourages clients to accept them as part of the human experience. It's about making peace with your inner, darker emotions instead of waging a never-ending war against them. This acceptance can reduce the struggle and distress associated with troubling emotions, allowing clients to live more freely and authentically. Busting the avoidance trap. We've all been there, avoiding uncomfortable situations like the plague. Whether it's dodging that dreaded work presentation or sidestepping difficult conversations, avoidance can be a slippery slope. ACT helps clients break free from the avoidance trap by accepting their thoughts and feelings without letting them dictate their actions. By reducing avoidance behaviors, clients can tackle challenges head-on and make healthier, more constructive choices. It's like finally facing that monstrous pile of laundry in the corner. Once you confront it, the day becomes a whole lot easier. ACT's Impact on Mental Health. ACT, with its catchy acronym, is backed by a robust body of research. Studies have shown that ACT is effective in treating a wide range of mental health conditions, including anxiety, depression, PTSD, and substance use disorders. It's like a multi-tool of therapy, versatile and handy in various situations. But what makes ACT stand out is its emphasis on improving overall quality of life. By helping clients accept their internal experiences and commit to value-based actions, ACT can enhance their well-being and help them achieve their personal goals.
It's not just about symptom reduction.
It's about thriving. The fun side of ACT, playful techniques and practices. Who says therapy has to be serious all the time? One of the delightful aspects of ACT is its use of creative and often humorous techniques to help clients engage with their thoughts and feelings. Let's take a peek at some of these quirky practices. Mindfulness exercises. ACT incorporates mindfulness practices to help clients stay present and fully engaged in the moment. Whether it's a guided meditation or a simple breathing exercise, these techniques can be both soothing and surprisingly fun. Metaphors and analogies. ACT is chock full of colorful metaphors and analogies that make complex concepts more accessible. Imagine your mind as a bus with various passengers, thoughts, and feelings vying for your attention. ACT helps you take the wheel and steer the bus, rather than letting the passengers drive you off a cliff. Diffusion techniques. Ever had a thought that just won't quit? ACT's diffusion techniques can help you distance yourself from those pesky thoughts. One playful exercise is to sing your negative thoughts to the tune of Happy Birthday. It's hard to take them seriously after that. Values clarification. In ACT, clients often engage in exercises to clarify their values. This might involve creating a values-based vision board or writing a letter to their future self. It's a creative way to connect with what truly matters. ACT in action. A few examples. Let's meet a few fictional clients who have experienced the transformative power of ACT. Lila the perfectionist. Lila struggled with crippling perfectionism that left her feeling paralyzed by fear of failure.
Through ACT, she learned to accept her imperfections and embrace her values of creativity and self-compassion.
Now, she's thriving as an artist, confidently sharing her work with the world. Tom the anxious executive. Tom's high-stress job had him constantly on edge. ACT helped him develop psychological flexibility and accept his anxiety without letting it control his actions. By aligning his work with his values of leadership and integrity, Tom found greater fulfillment and balance in his career. Sarah the survivor. After experiencing a traumatic event, Sarah was trapped in a cycle of avoidance and fear.
ACT provided her with the tools to accept her painful memories and commit to actions that aligned with her values of courage and connection.
Today, Sarah is an advocate for trauma survivors, using her story to inspire others. What to expect from an ACT session? If you're curious about what an ACT session might look like, here's what you can expect. A collaborative approach. ACT therapists work collaboratively with clients to identify goals and develop a treatment plan. Mindfulness exercises. ACT often incorporates mindfulness exercises to help clients develop greater awareness of their thoughts and emotions. Values-based discussions. Therapists will work with clients to clarify their core values and identify goals that align with those values. Experiential exercises. ACT often involves experiential exercises, such as role-playing or imagery, to help clients practice new skills and perspectives.
Embracing the ACT revolution.
In a world that's constantly changing and challenging us, acceptance and commitment therapy offers a refreshing and effective approach to mental health. By fostering psychological flexibility, value-based living, and emotional acceptance, ACT empowers clients to lead richer, more meaningful lives. So, if you're ready to embark on a transformative journey and embrace the beautiful messiness of life, give ACT a try. After all, who wouldn't want a wise, witty, and wonderfully effective therapy in their corner? So don't wait, act now.
Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and not intended to give psychotherapeutic advice.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you can be up to date on the videos presented by our psychology education channel.